Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale dietary supplements with Nature Made, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale dietary supplements with Nature Made, begin by understanding your target market. Research consumer trends and preferences in the dietary supplement industry. Select the specific supplements you wish to scale based on this research. Ensure you have access to high-quality ingredients that meet regulatory standards. Next, assess your current production capacity and identify any limitations. Engage with suppliers to secure a consistent and reliable source of raw materials. Optimize your manufacturing processes for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Implement quality control measures to maintain the standards set by Nature Made. Consider packaging that is not only appealing but also functional and eco-friendly. Create an effective marketing strategy that highlights the unique benefits of your supplements. Utilize social media and digital marketing to reach a wider audience. Plan for distribution by forming partnerships with retailers and online platforms. Monitor sales data regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Gather customer feedback to improve product offerings and customer satisfaction. Invest in ongoing research and development to innovate your product line. Stay informed about industry regulations to ensure compliance at every stage. By following these steps, you can effectively scale dietary supplements with Nature Made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.